Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off lock sound on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which iOS, it is going to work the same on the all iPhones. So, let's go to the settings and then go to the sounds and haptic. And here you are going to find system sounds and haptics, so you can turn on the lock sound. So it means if you lock the iPhone, let me show you, there is a sound if you lock it. But if you turn it off, once you lock your iPhone, there's going to be no sound. So this is how you can turn it on or turn it off, just by clicking this little switch right here. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.